Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is meddwl, which means thinking. Meddwl, as in, shh, dwi'n meddwl. Shh, I'm thinking. Meddwl, thinking.